kilograms, all lifters on this weight. So 50 kilograms for Sian Waters for her first attempt, and she'll be followed by Stubbs. Waters, followed by Stubbs. Barbell is loaded 50 kilograms for Sian Waters, SA1, first attempt in the clean jerk. The lifter to follow is Stubbs.
Up, punch, come on. Yes, feet, hold.
Good. The same weight remains. 50 kilograms for Jodie Stubbs for her second attempt, which will be followed by Reese. Stubbs, followed by Reese.
On.